Hello children, I am here with the summary of the lesson Abraham Lincoln. So we have done this chapter in the class, chapter 5, which is on page 36. Now let me give you a test. Okay, so now listen carefully and try to recite it verbatim just after I read it one time. Okay, let us see if you can do it. वह पढ़ाई में होशियार था, उसे पढ़ने का भी बहुत शौक था। जिस पाठ को वह एक बार पढ़ लेता वह उसे पूरी तरह याद हो जाता था। वह मित्रों से किताब लेता, उसे पढ़ता और फिर पढ़े हुए पृष्ठ शब्दशः मित्रों को सुना देता। लड़के बड़े अचरज से उसे देखते। कैन यू ट्राई इट? आर यू एबल टू डू इट? दैट वाज अब्राहम लिंकन, the 16th president of America. Whatever he read, he could just recite it verbatim in the first time only in which he read. एक बार पढ़े हुए किसी भी पृष्ठ को बिल्कुल शब्दशः वैसा ही का वैसा ही वो बोल के सुना देता था. So he had great memory power. He could remember things. अच्छे से वो याद कर सकता था एक ही बार में. So that was Abraham Lincoln. So let us go through the mind map of the lesson first. Abraham Lincoln, उन्होंने क्या किया? He abolished slavery system. There was दास प्रथा, that is slavery system in America. He abolished it. शक्तिशाली, he was very strong. And he used to love, Abraham Lincoln, he used to love fun and laughter, हंसी मजाक. And he was a great hard worker. बहुत ही परिश्रमी इंसान थे Abraham Lincoln. And not only that, eventually he became the president of America. अमेरिका का राष्ट्रपति वे बने. So, Abraham Lincoln, let me tell you the short summary of this lesson. इस पाठ का मैं सारांश आपको बताती हूँ. अब्राहम लिंकन, उन्हें आज़ादी का मसीहा कहा जाता है. द सेवियर ऑफ फ्रीडम. वाई? यू नो, बिकॉज ही एबॉलिश्ड द दास प्रथा. जो पहले अफ्रीका से दास को लेके आते थे, स्लेव्स, दे यूज्ड टू, अमेरिकन्स यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग स्लेव्स फ्रॉम अफ्रीका एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू torture them a lot. So he didn't like this. He said this is not correct. So he tried hard and one day he stopped this slavery system. It was stopped. समाप्त हो गई. And Abraham Lincoln was born in Pigeon Creek in America. And he was born in a very poor family. They used to live in a hut. So they used to live in झोपड़ी. झोपड़ी में रहते थे so that जो हवा है अंदर आ जाती थी, पानी बारिश अंदर आ जाती थी. So they, all the rain water and the wind could easily come inside. So they used to live in a pathetic condition. Not only that, they didn't have enough to eat when they were small. कुछ खाने पीने के लिए उनके पास ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं थी. अब्राहम लिंकन बहुत शक्तिशाली थे. एक बार उन्होंने क्या देखा कि कोई लोग खंबा उठाने के लिए बहुत प्रयास कर रहे हैं. Some people, they were trying to carry a pillar. That time, Abraham Lincoln, what did he do? He immediately, without much effort, carried the pillar and kept it to its proper place. So everyone was amazed. And he also liked हंसी मजाक. So fun and laughter. His daddy used to take him to the barns every day to work in the fields. So Abraham Lincoln also used to go with his daddy, and there he used to make lots of jokes that people used to just roll in laughter. लोटपोट हो जाते थे हंसी के मारे. And not only that, just as I said, he was very good in studies. He was so good, even though he didn't have money to buy books, he used to borrow books. वो अपने दोस्तों से किताबें ले लेता था उधार में और उनसे बोलता था कि मैं ये पढ़ के वापस कर दूंगा. तो so he used to read it and return the books after reading. So he used to love reading books. And as you all must be knowing, he used to study under the street light. Now why he used to study under the street lights at night? Because the whole day he was working with his daddy in the fields. पूरे दिन भर वो खेत खलिहान में अपने पिताजी का काम में हाथ बटाते थे और रात में आके पढ़ाई करते थे परिश्रम के साथ, हार्ड वर्क के साथ। और परिश्रम के साथ क्या हुआ, उन्होंने वकालत हासिल की। वकालत की जो है डिग्री वो उन्होंने हासिल की, उन्होंने पास की। ही गॉट द लॉ डिग्री with hard work, and he started writing poetry and prose, that is उन्होंने गद्य और कविताएं लिखी। और आखिरी में क्या हुआ कि वे अमेरिका के 16th राष्ट्रपति जो हैं प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका, he was elected as the president of America. So that is the short of Abraham Lincoln, the President of America, the 16th President of America. So thank you and take care.